Welcome back to Stepping with Shorty tutorials. This next series of videos is going to elevate what we have learned from the last set of drawings using fundamental shapes. Go check them out. These videos will be tiered from beginner drawers to more experienced. Hope you enjoy! When drawing, you can use the head of a character as kind of a gauge for the rest of the torso and the leg length. Then you can start adding in those basic fundamental shapes like triangles and rectangles, and then start truly defining down those into rounded more shapes. You got bell shapes, and you can start really adding in the outside curvature of your character. Then what you can start doing is adding in the smaller details and start cleaning up those muscle groups. What I'm doing here is working on the small features where you have the hair curling, you have the facial features, you have fingers that kind of look like sausages right now, but I'll get to them. And then we have the toes and into the elaborate sandals that he's wearing. Then I erased out the lines and I started tailoring the cape, and then I went in with my black where I was fine-tuning everything, making sure that he had the correct expression and that his proportions were correct for his body. When it comes to cartoons, you will notice that they have some kind of feature exaggerated. On Hercules, he has these very exaggerated shoulder widths and big chin, big blue eyes, and a lot of cartoons won't have true humanoid body proportions, and that's okay. You just have to look for which ones stand out for the character that you're doing. So I went back and I started doing some shading. Make sure that you refer back to a gray scale, because you truly want, especially when you're drawing, to get those dark tones that you can achieve with, your 6 to 8B pencils, and then using your pen pressure to get all the shades in between white and black. Using those blending sticks as well to really blend things together. In my digital painting, I didn't blend the edges together like I would want to in a drawing to make it a little more smooth. For this tutorial, I wanted those colors to stand out so that you could see it on your screen. But if I were to do this hand-drawn, I really want to blend one shade into the next cohesively. I didn't go solid black on some of the details because I wanted the line art to show through for you guys, but I do want you to look at the small details and the toes and the fingers and the fabric to see where your light source is coming from too, because like I mentioned in the last video, it is important to determine the light source for any and all of your pictures with shading. Adding in details for the belt buckle there, and last but not least, the eyes, the headband, and the details in the hair. That's it for today, folks. I hope that you go to my YouTube channel and check out my other videos, see if you can learn something new today, and stay safe out there. Have a good one.